and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Hope Malone and I'm the big cheese at Ham and Cheese Events. Today we're going to make a very simple light lunch or light dinner of fettuccine spinach topped with an Asiago cheese. For this recipe today we will need dried fettuccine, Asiago cheese, I have some shredded already for us, fresh spinach, salt, kosher salt, and water to blanch the spinach. The first thing that you need to do is fill a 3-quart stock pot with water, 3/4 full. I've got the stock pot of water boiling, and now I'm going to add approximately 2 tablespoons of salt to the water. I like to use fettuccine that's dried, and a small round handful about the size of a quarter is a good portion per person. You don't want it too overdone, but you want it just a nice al dente to the teeth. It's important to stir your fettuccine occasionally to make sure that it does not stick to the bottom. You want to make sure that you rinse carefully to stop the cooking process of your fettuccine. While we're waiting for our fettuccine to drain, we're going to wilt our spinach. We do that in a saute pan with about 3/4 cups of water to 1 cup or 1.5 cups of spinach. With our saute pan, add your water and add 1 cup of destemmed spinach. You need to be careful when you wilt your spinach to continuously turn it with your tongs so as not to overcook it. As our spinach is finished wilting, we take our fettuccine that's thoroughly drained and we're going to place it, even warm, into your serving bowl. At this point, we want to add the wilted spinach. Toss together and top with your shredded Asiago cheese. You can use as much or as little as you like. About 1/2 cup tends to be just the perfect amount. Once again, slowly toss so that the cheese begins to melt. And a little more just for beauty's sake. And we're finished. My name is Hope Malone. I'm the big cheese at Ham and Cheese, and we have made a fettuccine Asiago with wilted spinach.